One, two, three, let's go!
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Pretty Much Aishu. This is a very random video. I mean, it's not a makeup tutorial, it's not a food recipe or any challenge or anything. This video is something which says that I am really thankful for all the love and support I have received on my previous video, that is my bald vlog. If you haven't watched it, I'll put the link in description. But I am just in, I mean, this is so magical. I was not expecting so much of love and support on my bald. I have been receiving such beautiful messages from my friends, family, and from those also whom I don't know. It's just beautiful, and I am very happy to see that there's so much love on the internet, on the social media. I mean, seeing all those YouTubers, all those bloggers, and all those people who are on YouTube, or just the influencers, what we call them, they always post stories and all about the hate comments and everything. But yes, I must say they also post love comments and all the support they get. But before starting my channel, I knew that I'm gonna get hate comments, and of course that's gonna happen at some point in my YouTube life. But I mean, I am speechless. I cannot express how grateful I am, and it's just unreal for me to even acknowledge all this. In my whole lifetime, I have not received an immense amount of hatred. I mean, there are always haters. I'm not saying that they are literally haters for me, but of course, everybody has a hater. But I mean, I am a child. My parents have grown me in such an environment that they have always encouraged me. And hence, because of that nature of them, I am not a person who is really acquainted with the hate side of the world. But the amount of love I have received over so many years, I am used to it, because I am surrounded by beautiful people, my friends, my family, just everyone. It's just beautiful. There's no negativity as much as I know, of course. But with the social media world, I know that I'm gonna put up my life out there on the YouTube or Instagram or say Snapchat or whatever it is. But I was I was not ready for this support and for this love. I am very happy. I have received such beautiful message, and that's the reason I felt like I should sit and start filming. And this video is entirely a video where I am thanking all of my supporters, my family, my friends, my Insta followers, YouTube followers, whatever it is. But I am just happy and I'm blown by the results. I mean, I am getting such sweet messages that there are people who say that even I want to do it. I mean, the girls, and they're like, we just couldn't gather the courage. We just couldn't do it. I'm like, just go for it. And when you do it, do send me a snap, I said them. But I don't know. I have also received messages like, this is such a positivity for us, because as I told you in my earlier video, my hair was legit my identity. And now that I've chopped them off, I feel more I feel more stronger. I don't know why and what is that feeling exactly, but this feeling is really amazing. I feel that people say the typical stereotype that women should have long hair, beautiful hair, voluminous hair, and whatnot, but that makes a woman more beautiful. And when she has shorter hair, or boy cuts, then people tease them, or people just make fun of them. I see people always bullying others. That is, you are fat, you are thin, you have short hair, your hair is I don't know, disgusting, your hair is not straight, your hair is not curly. I just don't understand what it is. Who has given you the right to judge? I mean, by saying that this girl is fat, this girl is thin, you are, at least this is what I believe, that you are creating a negative environment around you. And that person is not becoming a bad person, but we are becoming the bad person. I have done a course in counseling, and I literally, there was a part where we had to write about our personalities and what would we like to change. And I have literally written in that I am up and now I am ready. This course, the counseling course, has helped me somehow to not judge people. You should not judge people. I was, when, of course, before going bald, or the day after it, I was ready for the hatred. I was ready for people saying, "Arey, ye kya kiya? What is this? Why did you do this? And you are 21 and you're going to start with your career now. You shouldn't have cut off your hair and whatnot." But who are they to say? I mean, whenever you are going to land up in a problem, these people are never going to be around you. And I won't take the complete credit on me. I will obviously give this credit to my parents for sure, because I couldn't have done without them. I mean, my parents have always taught me that do whatever you feel like doing, but just that it does no harm to anybody else. You don't want to harm people. I am a believer of do whatever makes you feel happy. And over these years, I have been always a person saying that I don't care what society says, I don't care what people say, I just want to do what makes me feel happy. I mean, this quote, this thing, I have lived up to. And I feel this is the only thing which has made me a stronger person. There are DMs, there are comments, there are messages on my Insta, my YouTube, my WhatsApp, people saying that I want to do it but I don't find any courage in this. I mean, I understand. Of course, it is a very big thing doing it, and of course, I appreciate your decisions. It is very difficult, and first of all, I wanted to go bald since years, but there are many people who don't ever want to go bald and they just love their hair. But that doesn't mean that you have to show your courage or you know your confidence only through going bald. That is not what I am up to. That is not what I want to say. It's just that I want to at least spread not 10%, 20%, at least 1% or maybe 0.00001% of happiness in this world. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much about it. I am not here to teach you how to build confidence and how to be courageous and all that. I am not a teacher, but of course with all my videos I will be trying to share a personal bond with y'all. I would love if you all share your problems or whatever it is, or any experience of y'all with me. I would be grateful to be a part of it. I was legit crying while reading all those messages, and it's very beautiful when a stranger or few people whom you don't know, a few people whom you are not really acquainted with, appreciate you. It's very beautiful. People have been sharing my pictures on their stories, on their Insta stories. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I cannot thank you all enough for spreading so much love, so much joy, and supporting me so much. I was clearly not ready for this love and support. I am speechless. I don't know what to say. I just thought of filming this video because I really, really, really appreciate all of your efforts to, type a message. I know it sounds funny, But people in this world, they don't do it. And when they hate something, they are ready for, messaging a whole para and whatnot. And then it's just, I just don't understand how people can be so cruel. I just don't understand that how do you even have that audacity to do it. But whatever it is, till now at least, touch wood, I have been blown out by your comments, by your messages, and this is unreal. This is completely magical. Yeah, it's really very dreamy. I mean, the when I started reading all your messages, I went into my mom's bedroom like, Mama, see what messages I'm receiving, and it's so beautiful. I cannot thank you all enough. Also, I'll try to post all the comments, the messages, the DMs on my video, maybe in the end somewhere, just to show the world that there's not always hatred on social media, but there's a part on social media which is full of positivity, and by God's grace, I have it all on my channel. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for your so much of love and support. Keep supporting me like this. Keep loving me like this. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Bye.